What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new upload, and we are going to be making a really quick, affordable, easy upgrade to the Duramax today. Now, what's really cool about this upgrade is it actually works for multiple different styles of truck. This is something that Boost Auto Parts makes for multiple different generations of GM trucks, and it actually is a very cool upgrade. I feel like it kind of upscales and modernizes your keychain. Now, I'm talking about their key fob upgrade. As you can see, this key fob is the factory key fob. It's been through some stuff. It's got some wear, some tear, and it is starting to look pretty nasty. We're going to be upgrading this key fob on our truck to the 2020 style key fob, like the 2020 Silverados have, and it's actually a really cool key fob. I'm talking about this little guy right here. This thing is actually made out of metal and plastic, so it's not just fully plastic. And as you can tell, it's got the lock, the unlock, and the remote start function. And this is going to make a huge difference just in the way you feel about your truck. This fob feels so much better than the old plastic one. I can't wait to install it. So they've made this really simple to do. They actually give you a plug to plug into your OBD2 port to program the remote. So that completely eliminates the need to take your truck all the way to the dealership. And I just can't get enough of the way it looks. I mean, it's heavy, it feels nice, it looks good. I mean, just the comparison, I mean, just for looks alone, it's gonna make it look like I drive one of those expensive $80,000 AT4 Denali. All right, first things first, you want to get in your truck, have all the doors closed, and we're gonna put the key in the on position. Then after that, we're going to take the little programmer, and we're gonna plug this into the OBD2 port. You'll hear a series of beeps. And then one more beep, and on your display on your dash, it's going to say remote key learning active. So at that point is when you want to start programming your fobs, and you can actually pair up to 4 key fobs doing this method. So what we're going to do here is, while we have our pairing mode, we're going to hold the lock and unlock button. And then you heard that beep. And so now that your remote is programmed, all you have to do is just shut the truck off, or shut the key off, pull out your programmer, and now we get to go test and see that this new fob is functional. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a try here. You got lock, unlock, and try the remote. And just like that, everything works just like it's supposed to. And just like that, guys, a super quick and easy upgrade you can make to your truck, thanks again to Boost Auto Parts. What's crazy is the key fobs aren't something that people usually think about. Key fob upgrade is really going to be the last thing people think about. But if your key fob is dying, your range isn't good, your buttons aren't working, like my buttons where they would barely work half the time, it was definitely time to upgrade. So instead of going to the parts store, going to the dealership and trying to get an OEM fob or one of those Dorman replacements that cost $70 anyway, and then having to take it to the dealership to have it programmed, you might as well go through Boost Auto Parts and get an upgrade that actually looks good and performs way better than the Dorman replacements. Thank you guys so much, as always, for watching the video. Feel free to go down below and smack that like button for me. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for me. A lot of new content along the way for both the Duramax and the white OBS, and we will see you guys in the next video.